I've been brought up to live with minimal impact on the environment. To be driving a Tesla was exciting to finally get behind the wheel and drive it on the beach for the first time. Press down the accelerator and straight away, boom, you're driving forward pretty fast, very peppy. Mouth dropping, how exciting and magnificent all the sand dunes are. When you see vehicles on the beach and you see emissions coming out the back, pretty superb. You can do a drive in a pristine environment and really have zero impact. It's quite unique.